These are our Venetian Plaster tools. These are special tools because they're stainless steel, flexible stainless steel, let me add, and they're lightweight. This one in particular is our large trapezoid trowel. This one is large, so it spreads a lot faster on the walls. We could put more material and spread it faster. We don't want to spend all day on a wall. I put my safeguard back to protect my edges from nicks. Medium-sized trowel is for hard to get places, like where there's a ceiling and a door frame. So you want that little place to come out nice and pretty, so you use a nice smaller trowel. This is our isosceles trowel. That's a trapezoid trowel as well, and the special thing about it is it has very flexible tips, and this is good for a lot of corners, hard to get corners. This one is a lot of people's favorites. Then we have our burnishing trowel. Our burnishing trowel is used to make our walls shine. The reason why we have a particular trowel for burnishing, because it's nice and small. The more pressure that you put on it, the more it'll shine. So you want to use something small so all the pressure is the same. The center will be the same as the top and to the end. This is why we need a small burnishing trowel. Then we have our P trowel. This is good for columns. For nice round columns, we have a nice trowel for that. And then we have a special trowel right here. It's a Japanese trowel. The special thing about it is it's very lightweight and it's very flexible. Look how flexible that is. A lot of people are using this even to do your first coat, second coat, third coats. It's a beautiful trowel. Now I'm going to go to my knives. The knives that we have here, they come in all different sizes. 1 inch, 2 inch, and so on. The reason why they come in so different sizes is for hard to get places where the door frames are. So we have our little 1/2 inch little knife that we use. We also have our 5-in-1. This is good to knock down all the high spots that we have. We have our 1 inch trowel, 1 inch knife that is 40 millimeters. We have our 2 inch that is 60 millimeters. We have our 3 inch that is 80 millimeters. We have the 100 millimeter and also the 120 millimeter. We also have our shovel. This is good because it comes out straight out of the bucket and you could pick a lot of material and put it on your trowel. We call this a shovel. It's very handy for first coats. And then we have our sand blocks. This is our sand block. It's the medium grid. You could get it anywhere. And we have this incline for inside corners. It's very good for inside corners. So make sure when you do your first coat, second coat, third coat, you sand down all your corners. Corners need to be nice and smooth. Then we have our tapes, our blue tapes for not sticky. Then we have our safety goggles, so when we're doing ceilings, the material will not fall in our eyes. So these are the tools that we have for our Venetian plasters.